How to make a building longer in Photoshop. Create enough space for the length you want to achieve. Once done, duplicate the image and create an empty layer. With the empty layer selected, go to Filters and select Vanishing Point. Using the points, select the edges of the part you want to elongate, then hold Ctrl, click, and drag from the edge of the selected frame to duplicate it to the other end. Adjust the selection with the pins until it is well framed. Once done, click and drag the top of the selection and drag upwards to extend the selection. After that, select the Marquee tool and make a selection of the part of the building you want to duplicate. Once done, hold the Alt key to duplicate it, then drag it to fill the frames. Repeat till you get the length you want. When length has been achieved, press OK, and you are good to go.